Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser or launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. If you are using a web browser, go to www.robinhood.com. If you are on the app, find and tap the Robinhood icon to open it. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the web page or prominently displayed on the app's home screen. Click or tap the login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address or username. Type in your registered email address or username. After entering your email or username, click or tap Continue or Next. Now, you will need to enter your password. Type your password into the field provided. Double-check that your password is correct to avoid any login issues. Once your password is entered, click or tap the login button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or mobile device for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Click or tap Verify or Submit after entering the code. If all information is accurate, you will be logged into your Robinhood account. From here, you can access your portfolio, trade stocks, and manage your investments. If you encounter any issues, ensure your email and password are correct, and try again. If you have forgotten your password, click or tap the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts. This completes the login process for Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.